Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video I'll be showing you how to update the Google Play Store app. Just like every other app, the Google Play Store apps need to be updated every now and then as well so that it can give its digital store new features, stability improvements and visual changes. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll get an instant notification as soon as we post a new video. Grab your mobile device and go to your Play Store. Tap on the menu bar on the top left and tap on the settings, head down to the bottom of the screen, and under the About tab tap on the Play Store version. If your app is up to date, then Google Play Store will let you know that Google Play Store is up to date. But if there is an update to be downloaded, then it will begin immediately. That is how you can update the Google Play Store like any other regular app. If you found the video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll soon be back with another tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.